Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing everything. Open Cookie Run, Kingdom, and sign into the account you'll use. Once logged in, gather the trade voucher code or screenshot. Keep it on your clipboard or another device. Make sure you have inventory space and backups. This prevents lost rewards. While you prepare, check for active events that may alter redemption limits. When ready, move directly to the shop. Do not navigate away, because timing can affect voucher validity. You now access the trade shop via Shop, then Trade Shop. This is where vouchers convert to items. Once inside, select the matching voucher type and the specific reward. Double-check quantity and cost before proceeding. Paste the code exactly, then press Redeem. Wait for the server confirmation. After the confirmation, immediately open your inventory to verify the item arrived. If the shop shows a limit, reduce quantity and redeem multiple times rather than exceeding caps. Finally, verify the rewards across inventory, event counters, and mailbox. Sometimes items route to different tabs. If you hit an error, retry after 1 to 2 minutes, clear the game cache, and then relog in. This often resolves sync issues. If the voucher still fails, take a screenshot and note the timestamp and your account ID. Contact support and provide those details. This systematic approach helps recover lost items quickly and prevents repeated mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.